What's up, everybody? We finally have our drywall hanger installer thingamabob, and it's pretty awesome. You put this thing tilts down. You stick your piece of drywall on it. In this case, we're using it for this 1/4-inch plywood. Stick that on there. Bring it back flat. There's a little lock back here. You lock it in place. Then we rotate it, and then we just wind it up. This thing is really gonna save our shoulders and just make things so much better. Is it faster? Eh, probably not. But is it gonna save our shoulders? Yes. Is it gonna make us more efficient? Yes. I think so. Pink stripes on both sides. I like it.